Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by collecting essentials: policy number, current registered mobile, government ID, and proof for the new number. Once done, log into your insurer account on the app or website. Make sure you use the exact policy view. Navigate to Account or Policy Details and choose Update Contact or Change Mobile. This first action triggers verification. You do this now to ensure the change is tied to the right policy and to prevent claim delays, because insurers verify identity before accepting number changes. After initiating the change, enter the new mobile and request OTP. Most insurers send one to the old and one to the new number for security. Then upload supporting documents, photo ID, policy copy, and an authorization letter if required, so the backend can match records. If online verification stalls, choose agent-assisted or branch submission. Agents can submit physical copies and speed verification. Make sure file names and formats meet the insurer's specs, so the upload doesn't get rejected and delay processing. Finalize by confirming the change and saving the acknowledgement or reference number. You should receive SMS confirmation on the new mobile. Then verify policy receipts and digital ID reflect the updated number. If not, wait the stated processing window and refresh your account. If something goes wrong, OTP failing, mismatch, or no confirmation, contact insurer support immediately with the reference number and scanned ID. This speeds manual resolution. Once resolved, make sure you update any linked services that use the policy number to avoid notification gaps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.